Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Stephanie Taylor.
And we're so excited about another listing we have in the Silicon Valley. Stephanie, you know what they say about real estate?
Location.
Location. Location. That's right. And this one happens to be in an ideal location here in San Jose, right next to all the major freeways and all the major Silicon Valley companies here in the Bay Area. Stephanie, what do you think about this property?
Eddie, what I love about this property is that it sits on a very large but very quiet corner lot. It has a beautifully landscaped backyard, and the inside has been so tastefully upgraded.
I totally agree with you. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 1898 Anne Marie Court, a delightful ranch-style home located on a peaceful corner lot in a highly desirable and tree-lined Berryessa neighborhood. The beautifully landscaped backyard offers a large patio and garden area, a lovely pergola, an RV storage pad with gate access, and a sizable storage shed. The inside of the home has been completely modernized with tasteful upgrades throughout, including contemporary white plank flooring, recessed lights. The numerous dual-pane windows allow plenty of natural light to shine throughout. Remodeled bathrooms and kitchen with a double oven, gas range, granite countertops, and sparkling pendant lighting. Garage has been converted into a bonus room that can be used as a family room or man cave, complete with heating, air conditioning, and insulation. Designer paint graces both the inside and outside of the home with modern colors. Appreciate highly rated schools with easy access to many parks, shops, and restaurants. Golfing, downtown San Jose, BART, high-tech companies, commuter shuttles, and highways 880, 680, 101, and 84 are all nearby. Don't miss your opportunity to own this fabulous home.
Thank you so much for taking the tour with us.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, and if you have any questions, reach out to us. That's what we're here for. We'll talk to you soon.